Come along as I make cocoa mango butter melt and pour soap. We'll need our cocoa mango butter melt and pour soap base, fragrance oil, a glass pitcher, scale, knife, some soap molds, a thermometer, and a mixing stick. Start by cutting the soap base into small and even pieces. This will help to avoid burning the soap. For a 5% fragrance load in an 8-ounce soap mold, I'm going to need 7.6 ounces of cocoa mango butter melt and pour base and 0.4 ounces of fragrance oil. Then melt the soap base in the microwave or double boiler till it reaches 140 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 20 seconds in the microwave. Almost done! Adding in some optional enhancers while our soap base is melting. Give it a stir and ensure that your soap is silky smooth. Once our base is fully melted, let's add in our fragrance oil. Stir for about 30 seconds, and then pour it into your molds. Unmold after 24 hours and enjoy! Happy making!